Aloha, my name is Crystal and I'm a trainer with Hawaii Off Leash Canine Training. This is Athena. She's a 2-year-old Belgian Tervuren and she's been with me for the last 3 weeks. Her owner absolutely adores her and loves her because she's so affectionate, smart, and playful. But there are a few things that he wanted to work on. So she still does the jumping, the eating unwanted things. Even though her recall was good, he wanted to get it even more solid at farther distances off leash. She didn't know the place command, which is a great command to help a dog build their confidence and stability. She knew the down command, but she wouldn't consistently do it, so this was something we really needed to work on. When her and her owner would go on walks, she'd often be taking the lead, pulling, so this is something he really wanted us to improve on. Athena was an awesome dog to work with. She was very smart, quick to learn, very confident in all our new surroundings. So getting her off leash was an absolute pleasure. I hope you guys enjoy our video of all the adventures we went on together during her 3-week training with me.
Athena was hard to manage because she's a high drive dog. She loved to pull and chase cats. Now it's not a concern. I don't have to keep a tight grip. I don't have to worry about if someone walks her, her pulling is going to be hard or difficult. She responds to all commands, the big one being off and down, where she definitely struggled before. She is 1,000 times better than where she was. I highly recommend off the leash training to anyone who has any issues or just wants their dog to be a little bit more obedient or better trained, and they don't have the time themselves. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend.